Hi John, I heard you speaking to my Woody last night. Yeah, don't listen to him. He's full of crap. You know, he says what you want to hear on here, you know. So don't listen to him. So I thought I'd just come over here and talk to you away from that. Anyway, I think you're quite handsome. Do you think we could go on a little date? Yeah. I'll bring me feathers, my best, and I'll prune myself really nice for the date. But don't listen to my Woody, alright, you know, he's just not like that, you know, and I'm just pretty much fed up with him, but I'm just looking for a new relationship, and I am a really, really tasty little bird, as you can see. Do you think you could get your dog away from me a little bit, because I know he's nuts. Tice, leave her alone, I'm being pulled. What are you all about, Dad? It's a pigeon. Oh, it's... Look what you've done, Tice, man. And that's another bird that's got away. Good morning, guys.